Hey everyone, Ron here, and I just finished setting up this Jackson Warrior. New strings, readjusted the tremolo, and I'm trying to work on a Randy Rhoads type sound. Can't play any more of that. What I wanted to show you is I have a Fender medium pick, and I'll get out of the way here. I'm going to show you how low this action is. Now again, you can see all set up. But here's the thing. Fender medium pick. You see nothing on here? I'm playing it. Okay. 12th fret, and I'm not going to put it in between. I just slid it in between the 12th fret and the string. It's not hooked on the strings. In other words, I didn't do under and over. I'm just putting it. Let me shut this off for a minute. Right. I'm just sliding it right there underneath all 6 strings, or all, well, 3 string. Stays there. Just sliding it in, letting it go. Now, to me, that's how I should set the action on a lot of them. Fender medium, just slide it in, let it go. It stays. I am not holding on to any string. I'm not sitting there pressing on the string, so it stays. That's right there. Turn the volume up. Trying to get a Randy sound anyhow, but I wanted to show that because people ask how low I set the strings up, and that's it right there. It is not tucked in between other strings. Thanks.